Welcome back to Selfcare, Karen, and welcome to this tapping session, this emotional freedom techniques tapping session, where we're going to be focusing on or diving into a topic that I think a lot of us can relate to, and that is dealing with the wrong boss, in inverted commas. Whether it's a micromanager, or it's someone who doesn't communicate well, they don't listen, they're not good talking, or they are just an all-round toxic leader, having the wrong boss can seriously affect your mental and emotional well-being. In this session, we're going to be using emotional freedom techniques to release the stress, the frustration, and any negative energy we might be holding onto from these experiences that we're having with not having the right boss for us, right? So if you've ever had to deal with a boss who doesn't support or respect you, then this is the tapping sequence for you. I want you to know that I'm holding a space for you here today, so lean into this healing and positive energy, and we're going to start tapping. If you're new to tapping, I do have an introduction video, which I will link up here, that kind of explains all the tapping points and the science behind EFT. Or you can just follow along. So you can just do what I do and say what I say. So start by taking a deep breath in and just try to relax. I would like you to assume complete accountability for your own self-care and for your own well-being. Now, you can change out any of the words that I say so that you say words that better resonate with your own feelings and your own experiences. And we're going to start tapping on what we call the karate chop point, which is just the side of the hand here. So just tap along and repeat what I say. Even though my boss frustrates me and I feel stressed and unsupported, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel stuck and overwhelmed by my boss's behaviour, I honour how I feel and choose to release this stress. Even though my boss makes me feel powerless at times, I choose to step into my own power and let go of this tension. Okay, we're going to start tapping on the eyebrow point. This frustration with my boss. Side of eye. The micromanaging, the poor communication, under eye. I feel undervalued and unsupported. Under nose. It makes me so angry and stressed. Chin. I can't stop thinking about it. Collarbone. This negative energy is weighing me down. Underarm. All this tension from dealing with the wrong boss. Top of head. I feel so stuck in this situation. Eyebrow. I acknowledge these feelings of frustration. Side of eye. But I choose to release the hold it has on me. Under eye. I'm letting go of the stress I'm holding in my body. Under nose. I'm releasing all the anger I feel. Chin. I'm letting go of the anxiety and frustration. Collarbone. I choose to free myself from this tension. Underarm. It's safe to let go now. Top of head. I'm letting go of the negativity and I'm finding peace. Eyebrow. I choose to stand in my own power. Side of eye. I'm in control of my emotions. Under eye. I can release what doesn't serve me. Under nose. I am worthy of respect and support. Chin. I choose peace over frustration. Collarbone. I am strong and capable of handling this. Underarm. I create calm and clarity within myself. Top of head. I let go of this stress and I choose empowerment. And we're going to return to the karate chop. I release the negativity tied to my boss and I step into my own strength. I'm calm, in control and deserving of respect in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Stop tapping, breathe in deeply and gently release that breath. Thank you so much for tapping with me today. You can take a look at the video description to find out about more EFT resources that I have available for you, including pre-written scripts, custom scripts and videos, and I also do one-to-one sessions. And what I'll do is I'll link my playlist of EFT tap-along videos up here. I've got a fair few covering a wide variety of topics. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.